Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
The final count of ballots for the electoral division in St. Andrew East Rural from Monday local government election has been transferred to the electoral office of Jamaica's head office at 43 Duke Street. The count will begin Wednesday at 10 a.m. My viewers and subscribers, they say this what them do right now, me not like it. Me not like it. But them a transfer one bag of rubbish. If you go do count upon Wednesday. I first me ever see this. So it take them 3 days. 3 days. If you tell we who win, remember, a PNP a lead, And through then say Andrew Holness, long down in face like brother dog, the all of them now want Andrew Holness to win. They want Andrew Holness to win. Hey, a thief, this and my viewers and subscribers. Because I say right now, you see the St. Andrew East Rural, this so Andrew want win, This so Andrew want win. You understand? This so him want win. He want win big. And he already upset with PNP because PNP a win big already. And so PNP have the whole of Westmoreland lack and problem. Hanover lack are just Andrew Holness problem. Him want win everything. He can't take loses, He can't take loses. So these people now, ballot count for St. Andrew East Rural Division transfer to EOJ head office. Why they never just do it and done? Why they never just do it and done? Them a long it out. Why them a long it out? Said there's a trick to it, my viewers and subscribers. They up to something. Because yesterday when me I watch a video, when you look, them say Daryl Vaz them a pass through the PNP area. Remember, Remember say the ballot box sitting them just lock off, It just lock off, Yes, the electoral office closed. Where them a do around there, so? This is why I tell us that they can't be trusted. Where them a do around there, so? Right about now, me think say the EOJ not take this serious. When I hear what me say, the EOJ thinks there's some joke thing this. Them things say some joke thing this, my viewers and subscribers. It nah go so. Let me tell you that it can't go like this. PNP people, you can't sit down and allow Andrew Holness for thief this election here. No way, in thief it the last time and we allow him with it. Not this time. No. We need betterment for Jamaica. You understand? And I don't joke thing this. Andrew Holness no saying to be a corruption. You see how him and Nigel Clark sit down? As try swallow and can't swallow. Them tense, they uneasy, they unsettled. Them not settle when them did that do them press conference. If you don't watch closely, you understand? It a bother them because they know say Mark Golden have this. I just thief it up. No, you see them say them a move ballot box from over there so and I put over there so all them damn foolishness there. You don't understand me I try showing my viewers and subscribers? So the people them me I telling about them. They not have nothing about themselves. Me tell you already, I'm going to say it again. Me not trust the EOJ. I don't trust, when me tell you, I not trust them. Me not trust them. Because they no fear. They no fear. What, 3 days? I was so 3 days? Something in a something. Something in a something. I'm just not trust the EOJ. Because the way how the EOJ and Andrew Holness administration can secretly a table out this and a table out that and come to rules and regulation without the presence of the opposition leader Mark Golden there, it show me something different and it tell me something different about the EOJ. You want to understand what I mean? Yes. Them are not somebody to be trusted. You hear? Them are not somebody to be trusted. The EOJ. You can't trust the EOJ because me give you a good reason. The EOJ and Andrew Holness administration meet up and come up and plan up, say how them are going to take on the role of the political ombudsman without the presence of the opposition leader. When I listen to what me I tell you no, all right. They come to an agreement that them are going to take on the political role. The last person to know about this was Mark Golding. When it shouldn't be like that, my viewers and subscribers. Mark Golding should be the first person to know about the political ombudsman. You understand? Them claims say Andrew Holness come out and him claim say him have a chat with one of the team, one of the worker them from Mark Golding team, basically with the opposition administration. And them say, okay, them agree. This is what Andrew Holness saying, which it was a lie. When he have a chat, yeah, about the political ombudsman, it was about cost of living. It wasn't about the EOJ to take on the role of a political ombudsman. You understand what I'm trying to show you? So if the EOJ and Andrew Holness then can have their meeting without Mark Golding present in that meeting, it tells me a lot about the EOJ. It does. It tells me a lot. I don't even talk about Andrew Holness because I don't know Andrew Holness is a criminal already. You understand? And he don't care about nobody. And then we go to the extra mile. But when you have EOJ, so them are going to be fair and square. It make me think twice. It does. It really do. You understand me? This is why I telling us I not trust them. From my ears, so them are going to take on the role. Before they tell Andrew so they can't do it. Before they tell Andrew so they can't do it. My viewers and subscribers, me not wrong, me I telling you that. Me just not trust the EOJ. And that is my reason. That is my reason. Anyway, I want to tell me one thing. Here, this Prime Minister Andrew Holness has again stated that it's not his fault that the Integrity Commission is yet to ratify his statutory declarations. According to Mr. Holness, additional documentation was requested by the commission just before Monday election. Opposition leader Mark Golding insists Andrew Holness out to step aside until this matter with the Integrity Commission is resolved. Me PNP people them, me undecided voters them. Una need to come out now. Now is the time for you to come out and protest against this. Protest against Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness need to declare your asset. So you come out and demonstrate and say declare your asset before them call who win. Declare your asset. And that enough to come out and do right now. We have the power in our hand. Me always tell you no. Me always tell you no. My viewers and subscribers, my people, if you no listen, you no go wrong. You understand me? Now this a man you talk about and feel fault. It is your fault, brother. It is your fault because you know what you do. Every time when they ask for this and ask for that, you're not sending the right thing. You're not give the people them what they want. So everything just a long out. You understand? Because you hide something and you have your wife there. Your wife is there. I back your Andrew Holness plus the other 6 teeth. You understand me? And it is wrong. This is why uno make Mark Golding win this and control this. Uno I go see something different. Uno I go see something different, my viewers and subscribers. This is not right. Andrew Holness come out and he put out a cabinet policy. The cabinet policy, a so-called cabinet policy, Andrew Holness put out. You don't know why he put out that? He put it out against the Integrity Commission. He put it out against the opposition leader because should the opposition leader come out and talk the things them and you know like it, he say, you know what, I'm going to put out a gag order, you know. So no come off from my name, you know. I want to stop talk about me, you know. If you have not now hide Andrew Holness, you will not do that. You won't do that, brother. We are not fool around here. You only can fool some people on the ground, but you can't fool we around here. We know you. We know you and we know what you're capable of. You're not a good man and you're not a good prime minister. And you know it. All you think about is your pocket. All you think about is the business part of Jamaica, the marketing part, the money part. You don't care and you don't love your people, them Andrew Holness. You don't love a soul. You take your people them for fool. So you want the vote. You give them chicken and you give them rice. You're idiot. It don't make no sense. You not have up yourself. What really are going with you? What really are going with you? You say you that come out and say you don't want popularity anymore. You come out and say you don't want popularity anymore. So how you buy vote? Oh yeah, buy vote. I know not now hide. The whole of the video them are show. The whole of the me have videos, my viewers and subscribers. Wanna take in this.
Oh, them proud of them can make things look body.
My viewers and subscribers, this is the reason why me have to show you these things, because Andrew Holness have a little tendency when always come out and run off him out and say bloggers are tell lie on him, you know, by vote. See it there clearly. I that to use the taxpayer money and do. And when the people them a cry out and a ball out in a hospital and say we can't pay for medicine, we not get no help. The nurses and doctor they don't have equipment. You know, you and Christopher Tufton not even say make only help the people them. But true because you know say I know nothing if you spend out taxpayer money, yeah, and buy out the vote because you know say you're gonna get rich. You know, say you're gonna get rich. So you know matter. You know exactly what you're doing, Andrew Wellness. You know what you do. You know what you're doing.
One Daddy Mark Golden.
Daddy Mark, are you win election? Daddy Mark, are you win the election? The people of Jamaica, they goes out for you. Me say, last night, you have people from all about our come a PNP headquarters. Daddy Mark, where they downtown, the heart of downtown. And me I tell you, say, me in the parade I walk come a PNP headquarters as well. If you see the crowd, people them a ball out freedom, freedom, victory. People them a ball out and them happy for you. We walk come up there, we walk come home.
Wanna hear that, my subscribers? The people they mean business and the people them want to change. Time come. You understand me? Yeah, man. We want to change and we want it now. We can't stand Andrew Holness no more. A cut we want him to cut. A cut him to cut out of this because Andrew Holness, he not belongs here because a criminal. We don't really want a criminal prime minister? We don't stay there, man. We don't want Andrew Holness and he can't stay here. So a PNP we say, and a PNP have the victory. My viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me what you think. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I wanna big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.